Roger the Real Deal Guy here. How are we? Are we well? Look, the sun's shining, it's blue, it's glorious. Short sleeves, because you know what? It's going to be that soon. Hashtag summer is coming. So, where am I today? I'm at Brean Country Club. I am here today to show you some of our amazing lodge developments that we've got here. It really is stunning. But before we do that and go inside and show you some of these lodges, look behind me. We've got the 18-hole golf course. How stunning is that? Do you know what? It's a beautiful, beautiful landscape location. Ideal game of golf. And there we've got the country club. Go in there, come chill out, have a drink, relax, whatever you want to do. But that's enough of that for now. Let's go inside and let's have a look at this lodge. So, I hear you ask, Rog, what's today's real deal? Let's go and have a look at this Wyndham lodge. 40 foot long, 20 foot wide, 2 bedroom. Stunning model. You're going to love this. Come on, let's go and have a look. So, straight away as we walk into the hallway, but do you know what? You're met with so much natural light. Look at the breakfast bar. Sitting there, eating your Cocoa Pops, having a little look at what's going outside. What more do you want? American fridge freezer. Tick. Ideal for the family. Ideal with a water dispenser. Really does do anything. Then you've got your amazing oven. Look at that. 5 gas ring burner. Double oven. Grill. Spacious. Cook the old roast in there, no problem at all. And you're going to invite me round for it. As you come around, just look at the refinement and the finish though. It is a beautifully well designed, well thought out holiday home. All the light from the natural windows, your patio doors behind you, you've got the fireplace, ideal place to hang the TV. It's just a beautiful, beautiful holiday home. I mean, just think, can you imagine sitting there, doors open in the summer, glass of vino on the deck, watching the old golfers? What more do you want? Because look, right behind, as we go down, there's even a wine fridge. So, fill it up, have a glass of vino, relax in this stunning, open plan, living, dining, kitchen area. It really is a fantastic lodge. But there's more. Let's go to the back and have a look at the bedroom. So, as we come down the corridor, we're going to come into the bedrooms and everything else like that. Straight away, on your left-hand side, you will see a lovely sized twin, full-size singles, lovely space, well thought out, but again with that window really light and airy. Then the other side of the corridor, we've got the family bathroom. Great size family shower, lovely amounts of space, really is well thought out, well designed and well used. And then we've got the other bedroom. So 3 bedrooms in total, look at that. Lovely again, 3-foot singles, can be moved. You've got the option, and if you wanted to put a double or a different size bed in, you can do so. Obviously, the configurations can work to whatever you want. Now, drum roll, master. Now, I would say it's more than a master bedroom. We're going to go into a master suite because this is spectacular. Yes, spectacular. Great word, isn't it? Right, straight away, look at that as a headboard. I mean, wow, just think. It's beautiful, but it's well designed. Lovely, lovely large window. And it's even got a fire. Can you imagine that? TV above, fire going, Netflix and chill, people. You know, it's just a lovely, lovely, lovely idea. But it goes on even more. Now, if we come in, straight away to your left, you've got the double walk-in wardrobe, and the ensuite's even got a bath. I mean, look at this. I mean, this is a stunning holiday home. What a lodge. It really does tick every single box. You know, from its well thought out design, it's very practical, but it just feels really, really, really homely. Now, I hear you ask, Rog, what's the real deal? Well, let's go and have a seat and I'll talk you through it. Come on. So, real deal time. Yes, it is, people. Do you know what? So, this is the stunning Wyndham Lodge, 40 by 20, 3 bedrooms. Lovely, lovely master suite with that flowing, with the fire, with the bath, lovely walk-in wardrobes. The other 2 twin rooms that are very versatile, that can be moved around. The beds can be changed for any size you wish. And then as you come into this fabulous lounge, kitchen, dining area, breakfast bar, American fridge freezer, wine fridge. It's got the washing machine, it's got your dishwasher, it's got everything you want. Plus it's overlooking the golf course and it's on the country club. I mean, is that not the real deal? Now, if you want to find out more about this, or any of the lodges, or even any of the holiday homes we've got, you know what you got to do, people? You've got to pick up the phone. 07493 098 497. Pick up the phone, give me a call, drop me a text, whatever you want to do. I am here to find you the real deal in holiday home ownership down here in Brean, at Holiday Resort Unity in Brean Country Club. That's simple. If you don't want to pick up the phone and you don't want to text me, you can email me, roger.shaw@hru.co.uk. Ask me any questions. I am here to assist you. And if you don't want to do that, you know what's coming. Woo, woo. Follow this face on YouTube, Roger the Real Deal Guy. Have a look at my channel. I've got options. I've got holiday homes. I can show you what you can do as being an owner. Subscribe, comment, do whatever you wish and whatever you want to do. But all I need you to do now, people, is sit back, look at this again, think, I can imagine myself here. 12-month holiday season. Wow. Do you know what? 12 months of enjoying this is all you need. But for now, relax, pick up the phone when you want, give me a call, and I'll leave you with this one message. It's not a deal, let's go to the real deal, and I'll see you soon.